Hello friends, here is the article views LeetCode question. So we have a table views and a column article ID, author name, viewers ID, view day. Okay, so here is the table, the view table, article ID, author ID, viewers ID, and view date. So here is the problem statement. Write a solution to find all the authors. Okay, we need to find out the author. Views at least, here saying at least, okay, the word we need to remember, at least one of their own article. Return the result sorted by ID in ascending order. So this author ID will be written as ID. Okay, so the answer should be ID 4 and 7. If you see this author ID and viewers ID, author ID was 4 and 4, it was viewed 2 times. Okay, and 7, it was viewed only 1 time. So we need to get this output as 4 and 7 in ascending order. And here 2 times, here output should be 2 times, but that is not an expected result. It should be only 1 time. Okay, so we need to write a script. So let me write a select statement. Select, we need to find the author ID, and the set author ID should be as ID. Okay, and select author ID as ID from which table? View table. Okay, so where we will use the where condition. Author ID is equal to viewer ID. Okay, sorted by order by ID as ascending. Okay, so let's try to get the result. I think this is a wrong answer. We got 4 4 7. We need to get 4 7. Okay, so here for that we need to use author ID should be distinct. This select this string author ID as ID from view, where author ID is equal to viewers ID, order by ID ascending. So let us get the result, and here is the accepted result. You can see it is accepted. Thank you.